Hi guys, in front of me is VIVO Y27 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. At first, open the settings, then find and select lock screen and wallpaper, choose wallpaper, now mark agree, and it's time to select the wallpaper that you want to cover your screen with. You can also download some wallpaper from online store, or you can choose one from your local images, but I will go with the default picture, for example this one. Then once you like it, tap on apply. Finally decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it. As you can see, it is already applied on both home and lock screen in my case. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.